If you work in health and social care, having basic life support skills is essential. The Care Certificate Standard 12 course provides this knowledge through flexible online training covering CPR, choking response, and the safe use of AEDs. Aligned with UK care standards and CQC requirements, it ensures you can respond confidently in emergencies and help create a safer workplace. At Care Skills Training, our basic life support course adheres to the UK Care Certificate standards. The training includes step-by-step guidance on CPR, using an automated external defibrillator, and assisting someone who is choking. This course is ideal for care workers, healthcare assistants, and support staff. Whether you are new to the sector or refreshing your knowledge, this training ensures you meet the required competency levels for safe and effective care delivery. You'll explore critical topics including recognizing emergencies, performing chest compressions and rescue breaths, placing someone in the recovery position, and responding to choking incidents. Care Skills Training offers courses developed by experienced care professionals, ensuring all materials are up to date and directly relevant to your professional needs. With our money-back guarantee and 24/7 learner support, it is a risk-free learning experience. Enroll now and learn with confidence. To learn more, please read the description below and visit our website.